Okay, you guys, time to get creative. So today we're going to be making some modern rainbows. So the cool thing about modern rainbows is they don't have to be the actual rainbow colors. Okay, so you can do them creatively and make them whatever you want. You're going to have a plate of about 5 or 6 just colors. We'll give you probably all the rainbow colors and then also some extras at your tables, plus some white and some black. Okay, now you have to be very careful with the black. We're trusting you with black today, but black is usually last, or you have to make sure your paintbrush is really clean between colors. So we're gonna have some different options for you today. Hopefully you'll get to make 2 rainbows today, but 3 is too many. We're just gonna do 2 and then we'll clean up, and you can draw or color at your seat if you get done. This is what I have printed. I have an Oh Happy Day. I have this one which says Choose Joy, and yours are gonna be on cardstock, but mine are on just plain paper, okay? And then just a plain rainbow, okay? Now, if you choose to do one of these, the Choose Joy or the Oh Happy Day, what you need to do first is the lettering. And what you're gonna have to do is take a Sharpie and trace the lettering in Sharpie to make it thick and black, okay? Okay, so here's this in black. If I was doing this one, I would trace this first. So first, trace it in black, and then put your lid on your Sharpie and just set it to the side so it doesn't get paint on it, okay? These are just some guiding lines. They're not there to give you the whole rainbow because these are gonna be creative rainbows. The modern rainbows are creative, okay? So let me do a quick demonstration on this one, and then I might do a quick demonstration on another one, okay? So I might start, you get to start with whatever color you want. And if you want to use the color that it is, you can, or you can mix a little bit of white with it. I'm actually using kind of a cream color to mix with. I really like that. And then you're gonna paint that section of the rainbow. Okay, so you see how mine is not perfect? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back and I'm just evening it out. I'm gonna go to the bottom of it and even it out. And then I'm gonna go to the top and kind of even it out. Right now, we're just gonna paint our little rainbow pieces, okay? So that one was kind of thin, so maybe now I might wanna do a thicker piece. I'm gonna do this dark kind of teal color, and I'm gonna use a bigger paintbrush. Now you don't have to do yours this way, but I'm gonna leave a little space in between.
Good afternoon. If you ride
Okay, and then I might rinse my brush. Now, not every single one of these has to be thick or thin, or you could do like, I guess not every single one of these has to be like a line. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna do this one as a line. I'm gonna do that one pink. And if you have one of these little lines showing through, like this one's showing through, you might have to blow dry it for a second and put a second coat on it. But it doesn't bother me that that line is showing through, okay? So now let's say I wanna do yellow in between these 2 colors. Okay, it doesn't have to be a straight line. You could do like a wavy line, like this.
if you ride Thompson
Sorry, you guys.
Sharon Road, connect a little bit, Thompson at work.
Okay, so you could do just a little wavy line, like that. You could do stripes, right? Another pattern you could do is stripes. You can put a heart in the middle if you want to, or a star, or like some little dashes, or you can put dashes behind it. So these are really creative and fun. Okay, so let's say, there we go again. I don't have red or a darker pink. It would be cool to do a darker pink, but I have purple. So I'm gonna do a little purple heart here. Okay, and then back here, I'm gonna do just some different colored dashes like this. Now the reason we're doing these is they're really, really popular right now. And artists on Etsy are doing these and making prints of them and selling them for actually quite a bit of money. So I like to do things like that because I want you guys to see that you can do these kinds of things too. That when you see these on like a website or something, I don't want you to be like, oh, that looks so good, I couldn't do that. You can do it. Absolutely, you can. Okay. Another thing you can do, I would probably do some more colors in the sky, but another thing you can do, I'm going to use the black for some details, is you can use this end and you could do like little dots with the black. Okay. I would say black should be last. If you're going to use black for something like this, make it last. And then look, I have a cute little rainbow. Okay, we're gonna post some examples on the screen so you can look at those and you can kind of see what is going on. All right, and maybe be inspired and have some ideas from that. But I'm not gonna make you watch me paint all three of these. Okay, so you could do a plain rainbow like this. This one says, oh, happy day. And then this one says, choose joy. If you decide to do one, remember, if you decide to do one with a quote, you have to trace that quote in black. Okay? Okay.